Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into CVS OTC account. Order benefits online step by step clearly. Open a web browser on your phone, tablet, or computer. In the address bar, type the official CVS OTC site link provided by your health plan or search CVS OTC login and choose a trusted CVS or OTC network result. Make sure the page is secure by checking for HTTPS and the lock icon in the address bar. On the home page, locate the Sign In or Login button and click it. If you are asked to choose your plan or partner site, select the option that matches your OTC benefit program. Click Member Sign In if you are a benefit member and not an administrator. In the username or email field, type the email address you used when you created your account. In the password field, type your password carefully with correct capitalization. If you are on a personal device, you can check Remember Me to save your login for next time. Click the Sign In button to access your account. If you see an error message, recheck your email and password for typos and try again. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and follow the prompts. Enter your email address and submit the password reset request. Open your email inbox and look for the reset message from CVS or OTC network. Click the reset link in the email and create a new strong password. Return to the login page and sign in again using your updated password. If you do not have an account yet, click Create Account or Register on the login page. Enter the required information such as your member ID, date of birth, and zip code exactly as shown on your plan records. Create a username and password, then set up security questions if requested. Accept the terms and conditions and finish the registration process. After logging in, go to the OTC Benefits or Shop OTC section from the menu. Check your available benefit balance and the benefit period dates before you place an order. Use the search bar or categories to find eligible OTC items like pain relief, vitamins, and first aid supplies. Open an item page to confirm it is covered and review size, quantity limits, and price. Click Add to Cart for each eligible product you want to order. Go to your cart and confirm quantities and that your total is within your benefit balance. Enter or confirm your shipping address and choose a delivery method if options are available. Review the order details. Then click Place Order or Submit to complete your OTC benefits purchase. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.